What's on to me? Hey, me dream you baby. I can look and look. We're worrying. Hi lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Okay, so today I want us to try something different. Yeah, I want us to make oat bread. Yeah, so come with me. Let's make oat bread for ourselves. All right. Okay. So we don't have blend. No, we have blender, but it can't blend dry ingredients. Yeah, so we have to choose. The asanka looks kind of same. Oh, asanka we won't so who be actually oh. Ukra we be dampo. Mu be actually. Yeah, you know, yeah the asanka asanka ne apoto yewa. Yes. It be tree oats no. Let's see how it turn out. Alright. Wow, second back what's on to me? Hey, me dream you baby I cry you. See I'm so nothing. But no, we ain't giving up. We ain't giving up. We ain't giving up. Yeah. Let's continue. Hey, ah, hey, ah, adia. Yeah, do baby, I'm telling. Hey, the baby, dear. Then your madam white. Say, can you imagine? Anyways, let's continue. So this is how our flour looks like now. This is our oat flour. Look at that. Look at that. Very smooth. And should I just smooth some on there because what's in here? It looks very smooth. Okay, so let's go. Our blender is set now. 1 ton of milk. We go in with our eggs, our banana, then we add our oat flour and baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder here. After we add our sweet things, that's our honey, we blend all together, you know. But this blender was showing me shaky. I had to open it and stir before I was able to blend smooth. It came out well sharp. At least I added a little bit of water just to make it smooth, and it came out so well. Upon with some vegetable oil. Craving. Yes. I did it. So this is our mini oven. She's very cute, right? Yeah, she's very cute. And I've been meaning to name her. So which name do you think we should give her? She's very beautiful. Which name do you think she should? Because I've been thinking. So comment in the comment section what name do you think will suit my beautiful, no, not mine, our beautiful and cute oven. I think we should give her a name, right? So I'll be waiting for you guys. It's coming out so well. Look at that. Like it's coming out. I think our bread is ready now. So let's check. Yeah. Oh my god. Hey, actually. Anyways, very good. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what I see. It looks nice though. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It looks nice. Let's cut. I'm cutting, see. 1, 2, 3. or is it because it's hot? Ah, we're boiling. Mm. Anyway, let's bake it. Baby, so I'm baking it. After I'll rebake this one, then we see. Oh, baby. And that's how it's supposed to be. Ah, I'm sure it's supposed to be like this too. Mm. It's supposed to be like this, supposed to be like this, like this, like this. Nah. See, anyway, and I'm. Oh, no wahala. Let's wait for the second one and see how it turns out because I think this one was too thick. Yeah, because that's it. This one was very thick. And this one is watery, like very soft. It's soft, very watery. Let's wait for this one and see how it is. I'll go and research. I'm researching. I'll go and research and check if this is supposed to look like. Like it was looking nice. Like the process was. It's also coming out so well. Just look at that. And wait, grass it too. What's the other one? And two. I just. Do you see that? And it's coming out. It's like I think that's how it's supposed to be. Reno. One say. Wow. So it's supposed to be like this. Yeah. So I think I did it well. Yeah, I'm not wrong. I can show the ash because of the oven once it's up and down, so it moves burnt. That looks good. This one, after cooling down, it's actually nice. So it looks like bread and cassava. And this one is still hot, so it's still soft. And this one too is still hot. So I think by the time this two cools down and become a bit harder like this one, it will make sense because this one actually makes sense now. Yeah, because like see the texture. Like you see, it's no longer like this. You see how it looks like. Oh, it's and cassava, you know. Yeah. So this is our oat bread. Forget the surface here. It's the food I'm talking about. This is our oat bread. Yeah. We did well. Hi guys. So my younger sister is back from wherever she went to. And I wanted to try our oat bread. Oh, yeah. Take one. Madam, talk. Oat. Mm-hmm. Hey! Hey! Okay, talk. So what's up? Mm-hmm.
No bread.
What do you mean no bread? It's oat bread. So no bread flour. It's oat.
It's
Oat
soft.
flour.
It's soft.
It's supposed to be soft, not hard, man. But you're eating. Is that what you want to be?
It's nice.
And it's supposed to be nice. What do you expect? Nonsense.
Milk.
Mm-hmm.
No milk. No
No, meaning no milk. Two milk. Two tin of milk.
No needle.
What do you mean? No? She has eaten almost half. Hey! I see from her eating. She's enjoying my subscribers, my followers. Say hi to them. Hey! Thank you all for watching. Yeah, thank you so much. The process wasn't easy. From the grinding to the mixing to the baking and everything. Yeah, the stress and all that. But it's worth it. At least at first I thought say yeah, you're bomb. But now we made something good. Yeah. Something delicious. First of all, what was I even expecting? Me check your person and make and I what was I even expecting? Yeah. Obviously it's oats. Oats like oats. Man fat flan cow. So what was I even expecting? Hey, so now don't play with me. Your later chef, okay? Call me Chef Pat or Chef Trisha. Clacky. Chef Pat or Chef Trisha. Okay? Clacky. Yeah. Don't play with me. Don't you dare play with me. Until you know, you guys can pass by and take some home or you can test it and do some. But I'll try and share it to other people. Like I'll share things, see reviews and hear what they have to say about my own. It's just a bit back and same but we take her like that. Okay. I don't know. I'm happy because at first I was thinking I made bomb, but now I know that yeah, patience is key. Oh. Patience is key. Be patient. Like be patient. Have patience. Imagine I was like, oh, this is I hear soft dodo. It's no me cause watching here. Tomato a whole loaf of bread at watching it. How? So do you understand? So if you have patience, people are butcher. Just abotire paste abotire pay you bro. It's what you are saying abotire. Sometimes I was touching a loaf of bread. That's watching free. Can you have regret? Anyways, I did it away. So you're going to enjoy. What would I tell it? I don't know if you can end up mm. Especially after texting, texting. After texting, maybe you can end up when you say we crab. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends, your loved ones. Tell your friends, tell other friends, tell other friends, tell other friends that I made oatmeal. Oat bread. Hey, I know. And everything. Oat bread, okay? All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all. See you next time. Bye.